Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of photography and exploring one of the most anticipated releases in recent memory. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III. With leaks, rumors, and exciting updates surfacing, this camera is shaping up to be a true game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. In this video, we'll unpack everything we know so far, from potential features and specifications to why this camera could dominate the competitive mirrorless camera market. Let's get started. The buzz surrounding the Canon EOS R6 Mark III has been building steadily, and for good reason. Industry insiders and photography enthusiasts are abuzz with speculation about its groundbreaking capabilities. According to recent reports, prototype models of the camera have already been distributed to select photographers for testing, underscoring Canon's commitment to releasing a polished and refined product. While the official launch might be a bit farther out than initially expected, these developments have only heightened the anticipation. Initial rumors suggested a late 2025 release for the EOS R6 Mark III. However, newer insights point toward an earlier debut, likely in the first quarter of 2025. Canon's dedication to meticulous craftsmanship and incorporating cutting-edge technology appears to be driving the extended timeline. This approach ensures that the EOS R6 Mark III will not just be an iterative upgrade but a significant leap forward in Canon's mirrorless lineup. One of the most talked about rumors is the EOS R6 Mark III's 24-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, reportedly borrowed from the acclaimed Canon R3. This advanced sensor technology promises several advantages. Faster readout speeds, ideal for reducing rolling shutter effects in high-speed photography. Superior low-light performance. Photographers can expect clearer, more detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Exceptional clarity and detail. Perfect for capturing intricate details in landscapes, portraits, and macro photography. This new sensor positions the EOS R6 Mark III as a powerhouse for photographers who demand versatility and performance. Dual shutter options. Flexibility is a hallmark of professional cameras, and the EOS R6 Mark III is set to deliver with dual shutter options. Mechanical shutter. Ideal for capturing high-speed action with precise control. Electronic shutter. Offers silent operation, perfect for nature photography, weddings, or other situations where discretion is key. This feature ensures the camera caters to a wide range of shooting scenarios, empowering photographers to adapt seamlessly to their environment. Redefining video capabilities. Videographers have a lot to look forward to with the EOS R6 Mark III. Rumors suggest the camera will support 4K video recording at 120 frames per second, FPS, ideal for creating ultra-smooth, cinematic footage. Full HD recording at up to 240 frames per second. Unlocking creative possibilities for dramatic slow-motion effects. These features position the EOS R6 Mark III as an indispensable tool for content creators, filmmakers, and sports videographers. Combined with Canon's renowned color science and sharp image rendering, this camera is poised to set new standards in video production. Advanced storage solutions. Storage reliability and flexibility are crucial for high-performance cameras. The EOS R6 Mark III is rumored to feature dual card slots. CF Express. 4 ultra-fast data transfer, essential for high-speed burst photography and 4K video recording. SD-UHS-2. A versatile option for more general use, providing photographers with a cost-effective and reliable storage solution. This combination ensures photographers have the storage capacity and speed they need for demanding shoots. Improved processing and stabilization. Though the EOS R6 Mark III may not debut a new Digic processor, it is expected to feature an upgraded Digic X processor. Key benefits include faster image processing speeds, smoother overall operation, enhanced performance across all shooting modes. Additionally, Canon is focusing on refining in-body image stabilization, IBIS, to deliver superior results. Paired with improved autofocus sensitivity, these advancements will help photographers achieve sharper images and seamless operation, even in challenging conditions. Autofocus is a critical feature for modern cameras, and the EOS R6 Mark III is rumored to introduce significant improvements in this area. Features might include enhanced subject tracking, perfect for wildlife, sports, and action photography. Improved low-light performance. Ensures accurate focus even in dimly lit settings. AI-driven focus adjustments. Potentially leveraging machine learning for smarter, more intuitive autofocus behavior. These advancements promise to make the EOS R6 Mark III a go-to camera for professionals who rely on precise and reliable focus in a variety of scenarios. Design and usability. Canon's user-centric design philosophy will likely shine in the EOS R6 Mark III. While maintaining its familiar ergonomic layout, the camera is rumored to feature subtle improvements. Slightly heavier build, offering a more robust feel without sacrificing usability. 3.0-inch LCD screen. A staple of the series, though details about resolution remain under wraps. Enhanced button layout. For more intuitive control during shoots. These updates aim to ensure the EOS R6 Mark III remains a joy to use for professionals and hobbyists alike. Game-changing features. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III isn't just an incremental update. It's poised to redefine what a mirrorless camera can achieve. From advanced sensor technology to exceptional video capabilities, this camera is designed to excel in virtually every area of photography and videography. Standout features include dual shutter options for unmatched versatility, cutting-edge stabilization and autofocus improvements, high-speed video recording for creative projects, future-proofing your gear. Investing in the EOS R6 Mark III means equipping yourself with a camera built for the future. Its innovative features cater to evolving creative demands, ensuring it remains a valuable tool for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring content creator, this camera offers everything you need to push the boundaries of your craft. Conclusion. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III represents a bold step forward in Canon's mirrorless lineup. With its rumored features and capabilities, it's poised to set new benchmarks in both photography and videography. From the advanced imaging sensor to unparalleled video performance, this camera has something for everyone. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting release. And don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for all the latest news in photography and tech. What feature are you most excited about in the Canon EOS R6 Mark III? Let us know in the comments below.